Welcome back, everybody. So today we're going to be doing some pork carnita tacos on the Blackstone Griddle. That being said, let's go ahead and see what we're going to be using today. All right, here we have it. So here's the pork carnitas that we did. I actually did this last night with my sister. So this is some leftovers. I figured I'd do some tacos. We got some tortillas. We got a homemade green salsa. Now the green salsa for pork tacos are probably the best. And, oh yeah, onions and cilantro. All right, let's go ahead and fire up that Blackstone. All right, let's get it going. Let's add some oil. We're gonna add our pork carnitas in there. Pork carnitas took about an hour and a half. We're gonna be adding some meat church fajita, Dia de la Fajita. We're just gonna add a little, just for some flavor in here. Ooh, that's gonna be good. And I also got the Blackstone on low. Now the beauty of this is that it's already cooked, so we're just kind of warming it up. Now we're ready to add our tortillas because that looks like it's almost ready. Always add some oil for the tortillas, give them that little nice crispity taste. Let's go ahead and taste this, see if we have enough seasoning in it. Oh, wow, damn. Oh, damn. That fajita just kicked it up a notch. That's damn good. Go ahead and flip it. See how you have that nice golden look. That's what we're looking for. Alright, those carnitas are ready to come out. Let's take them out because we don't want to dry them. I think tortillas are ready. Oh yeah, they look good. Alright, so let's take the tortillas out and let's go ahead and build this. Alright guys, here we have it. So let's go ahead and add the meat. A nice color. Oh man, these look good. I ain't gonna lie, these carnitas are smelling good. Bam. Alright. Let's add our onions and cilantro. Add however much you want to add. Just like that. Now, can't forget that green salsa. Alright, so is your guys' mouth getting watery? Because, man. Alright, let's go ahead and give this a try. Alright, you guys. Here you have it. Ooh, let's just go ahead and get into it because, oh man, I don't want to wait. Look at that. I forgot one main ingredient. Hold on. You gotta have the lemon. What was I thinking? You guys saw that? Let's try it again. Just a little bit. Oh, all right, there we go. There we go. Don't forget the lemon and watch out for the squirt. Now. Out of the park. This is good. It's great. It's delicious. It's simple. It's quick. Any type of leftovers that you guys always have, meat, beef, you know, stuffed chicken. You can always cut them in little tiny pieces, put them in there, get some tortillas, some salsas. Bam, a quick, easy meal. That's gonna be a hit. Check out these videos. Hit that subscribe, hit that like, and we'll see you guys next time. You gotta have the lemon. What was I thinking? You guys saw that? Let's try it again.